Want to use a specific color again that you've already drawn with, but you don't know the exact settings or color number? Use the color picker in Procreate. Unlike other drawing apps, it's not a little eyedropper tool that you move over to the color you want, but it works very similar. There's two ways to activate it. The first way is just to take your finger and tap the screen and hold it, and the color picker will come up. The bottom color is the color that is already chosen. The top color is where you move the color picker. Wherever that little crosshair goes is the color that you will be choosing and that the top half of the circle becomes. So if I want to use this blue, I will go to that blue, let go, and as you can see in the top right corner, that's now the color that I'm going to be drawing with. The other way to activate the color picker is to tap the little button in between the brush size and the brush opacity sliders right here on the left of the screen. So if I tap this button, the color picker comes up, and then I just drag it around like I did before and pick the color that I want to use. Simple as that.